Hey guys, welcome back to the Art of Craftsmanship. My name is Dustin, and today we're out in the smithy and we're going to do a 1-hour build of a Viking eating spike. Now this is something quick and easy that you guys should be able to do on your own. Let's go ahead and get the forge lit and we'll get started. I'm going to mark and cut off a 6-inch piece of 1/4-inch square stock. This is just mild steel. I have my square taper all the way to the end, and it's getting pretty thin, so I'm going to finish that off by rounding the very end of it, probably the last inch or so, into my final point. I'm going to make my little scroll, and then I'm going to make the bigger scroll. Do the little one first, then I'll bend the whole thing over, and then bend it back on itself to make the big loop. Whoa, come on. I like that better. I opened this up and then curled a little tighter at the end, so it was a little straighter. So I just curled a little tighter. So it's pretty straight. I'll just do a little touch up with the hammer to straighten everything up in line, and we'll be ready for the twist. That looks pretty good. I like that reverse twist. So I'm going to straighten it out a little bit over at the wooden stump, and then I'll get it back in the forge and draw out the point. Old Harbor Freight. I don't want to go too thin at this point on here because this end is going to be the working end, right? I'm going to be stabbing things and eating with it, and I don't want it to be bending, and it's mild steel, so I want to leave some meat to it. So I'm going to go ahead and start rounding this off. So I'm going to take it from a square to an octagon, and then a rounded tip. Again, maybe just the last inch, but not as thin as the other end. Now before that, there's a lot of material here and a lot of room, so I think I'm actually going to add another reverse twist below the first two. Get off. Twist, twist. There we go. All right. That's the forging all done. I've tapered this down, octagon, and then rounded the tip. I'm going to take it down in the shop, grind a little bit more of a point onto it, then I'll bring it back up, and I'll show you guys an interesting finish technique I've been working on. Putting that back in the forge now. I'm going to let that get hot, kind of up to like a black heat, not quite red. And I'll get it into the oil to give it that nice overall black finish. Now once that oil is still hot on there and still on the outside, I'm going to use my torch and heat it up slowly, and that'll actually bake that oil into the surface of the spike, and it'll give you a really nice, durable, shiny black finish on the outside. We can watch it start to burn, and then it's going to start to turn brown, then black. you get it too hot, it'll just burn it off completely. So put it back in the oil, warm it up a little bit more. It should work. I love this finish. I love how black and shiny it gets. And you can see where it's a little golden in here, where it's getting to the points where I didn't actually heat it up. Just a really nice looking finish, really beautiful. And I'm going to take this back inside and hit it with the Scotch-Brite on all the high spots, and I'll have a really nice contrast. There we go, guys. Nice little Viking eating spike. Took me just about an hour to make. Works. That's an easy 1 hour project, something you guys can do at home. And we love to see what you make. And if you do make something like this, post it to Instagram and tag The Art of Craftsmanship. We love to share it and check out what you're eating with your Viking spike. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.